Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel by Myra Asa. If you are new here, welcome. Today, we are diving into the fantastic world of hair care with our creation. We are going to be making our very own hair perfume using some very easy to find and wonderful, nourishing ingredients. Before we jump in, just want to let you know that everything that we're using, the link to get the items can be found in the description below. And if you purchase, I make a small commission off of your purchases. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. Now, let's get started. You might be wondering what exactly is hair perfume. Well, hair perfume is a fragrant mist specially designed for your hair. It's a wonderful way to add a touch of scent to your hair and really nice and easy way to refreshen your hair, leaving it smelling fresh and fabulous throughout the day. It also adds nutrients, prevents flyaways, and you can also add luster and shine to your hair. What are we using to create our hair perfume? Like I said, very easy to find, good for your hair ingredients. We are first starting off with rose water. Rose water is not only known for its enchanting fragrance, but also for its moisturizing properties. It helps to hydrate and nourish the hair, leaving it feeling soft and silky. We are going to be scenting the hair, and today I figured I would do a little bit of, maybe it's an opposites thing, but we're going to scent the hair with chocolate and vanilla fragrant oils. Separate, they're great. Together, they are absolutely wonderful and they smell really, really good. And finally, our nourishing oil is going to be marula oil. Now, marula oil is a fantastic oil for the skin, but it's also just as good for the hair. Because of its high oleic content, it penetrates the hair deeply without leaving a heavy or greasy feel. And it just has really, really excellent moisturizing properties. Without further ado, let's get started. You are going to need a spray bottle. Once again, I have these small spray bottles on hand. This is probably about I want to say it's about a 75 ml, maybe slightly smaller than that, spray bottle with a sprayer, an atomizer. You're also going to need, because my bottle is small, I'm just going to be using 1 teaspoon of oil. So you're going to need a teaspoon. If you have a larger bottle, then you're going to need a little bit more oil, but I wouldn't use more than a tablespoon of oil. And you're going to need a funnel. To begin, we are going to take our oil. Remember, it's just a teaspoon of oil. Pour our marula oil in here. Look at that. Easy peasy. I've tried to free pour in the past and I wasn't so successful. So there we go. Almost losing that there. And then you will add anywhere from 20 to 40 drops of scent. Remember, this is a hair perfume. You want the scent to come out. You want it to be noticeable and you want the scent to be prominent, but not overpowering. So anywhere from 20 to 40 drops of oil, of fragrant oil. And the same amount for the chocolate. So the first one was the vanilla, and now I'm adding the chocolate fragrance oil. All right. And now we add our rose water. So I could shake all of this together, but I am going to mix it all when we're done. So I'm just going to add the ingredients. And what we do with the rose water is just fill it up to the shoulder. But I don't even measure that. I just fill that up to the shoulder of the bottle. Oh, I got that a little beyond the shoulder. Let me pour some into here. Okay, I'll work with that later on. So at the shoulder, and then from here, we mix. And you just shake the bottle very well. There you are. And then spritz and see how you like the scent. If the scent is not as strong as you'd prefer. Add some more fragrant oil to it. But when I spray it here, oh, it smells fantastic. Ooh, that chocolate comes through with that vanilla. So the chocolate deepens that vanilla scent. The vanilla is very sweet and it's not dry as because of the marula oil. So yeah, that smells really good. This is absolutely perfect. And there's that hint, a little bit of, herbal scent there because of the rose water. So this is perfect. So there you go. We have our hair perfume. Let's make another one. The next hair perfume we are going to make is going to be using orange blossom water as the base and fractionated coconut oil. Orange blossom water helps to revitalize the hair. It smells absolutely wonderful. And to be honest with you, it gives me ylang ylang vibes when I smell it, but maybe that's just me. But it helps to revitalize the hair, promote hair growth, and give it strength. Fractionated coconut oil, which is the lighter part of the coconut. So if you know coconut is very heavy, it's firm at room temperature. Fractionated coconut oil always stays liquid. And in the coconut oil process, it actually is the oil that comes on top. So it sits on top of the actual coconut oil. It helps to manage unruly hair and it provides conditioning benefits. Some people do use it as a hair conditioner. I figure with this hair perfume, it's going to be a flower based scent. So I have lavender, magnolia, and my personal favorite, Japanese cherry blossom. Once again, you're going to need your spray bottle. And because of the size of my bottle, I am using a teaspoon of oil. If your bottle is bigger, you might want to use a tablespoon of oil, but to prevent your hair perfume from making your hair too greasy or weighing it down, I wouldn't use more than a tablespoon of oil. So let's get started. I'm going to add the oil. So here's a teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. And like I said, see, it's very, very loose. Fractionated, it's a very thinner oil. It's a very light oil. And then from here, I am going to add my flower scents. And once again, I'm going to speed through this. And because I'm using multiple scents here, I'm using 3 different scents, anywhere from 12 to 15 drops each scent should suffice. Remember, use it to your liking. This is a beauty about DIY. You can use it tailored to you. So if you want more of a lavender scent than a magnolia, then add more lavender. If you want more cherry blossom than lavender, add more cherry blossom. It's totally tailored to your preference. And then from here, I'm going to be adding our orange blossom water. Once again, this time I'm going to just try to make it to the shoulder. There it is. And then we're going to cap that and then shake to mix very, very well. And to use your hair perfume, it's super easy. Simply spritz it onto your hair from a distance, focusing from your mid-length to your ends. You can also spray it on your scalp if you have like very dry scalp. You can also spray a bit onto your hairbrush and run it through your hair so that you get even distribution of the fragrance. It's a quick and effective way to keep your hair smelling absolutely amazing. So let me spray this one. Oh my goodness. This smells absolutely fantastic. Wow. Wow. This is really, really good. It's none of the flowers are overpowering. It just has a very nice perfumey scent. Wow. Oh, it smells good on the body as well. So there you go. Here is your second hair perfume made with orange blossom water. Next time you just need a quick pick-me-up for your hair, let this definitely be your go-to. If you like this video, press that like button, subscribe, hit for notifications, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.